Welcome to Auto Resolve. Need to clean or fix your Hisense Portable AC? Let's walk you through how to remove the front panel step by step.
Step 1. Unplug and turn off the unit at the wall outlet for safety. Never attempt to open while powered. Step 2. Remove the filter cover, usually the top half of the front grille, and pull out the air filter. Step 3. Locate and remove the screws behind the filter grille. Most models have 4 small screws securing the front cover. Step 4. Push the metal cabinet sides inward at the front edges, about 1-1. 5 cm to release hidden tabs holding the panel. Step 5. Gently lift or press tabs near the top edge, then swing the front cover upward and forward to pull it off. Think of it like opening a hinged flap. Step 6. Once removed, clean the filter behind panel areas and visible coils using cool water or a gentle brush. Allow everything to dry fully, 24 EHs, before reassembling.